So you're a professor and you're teaching a class of, say, 20 students, split into 5 groups. Your students have finished an intense group work. Now we all want to see the results. But how? Should each group give a short presentation? That can be really boring. Students are passive and it just takes a lot of time. Guess what? We have a better idea.
With the poster walk method, students present and discuss their group results on posters. Now imagine this. Instead of sitting through long presentations, your students are up on their feet. They gather around the room, presenting and exploring the posters. They are talking, explaining and asking questions. By moving from poster to poster, the students discover each other's results and bring energy and movement into the session. It's dynamic, it's engaging, and best of all, it actually works.
Each group gets to capture their work on a poster and then present it. Big ideas, key points, their best takeaways. Every poster gets its own spot in the room. Just make sure they're not hung too close together. Now, half the group stays with the poster throughout the whole round. They are the presenters. They're ready to share what their group came up with, answer questions and spark discussion.
Meanwhile, the other half of the group takes on the role of travelers. They head out to explore the other posters, starting with the one right next to theirs. So Group A, for example, begins at Group B's poster. After about 5 minutes, you give a quick signal and they rotate clockwise to the next one. This rhythm keeps going until every group has seen each poster.
Once the travelers make it back to their own group's poster, it's time to switch roles. Now they become the presenters, ready to explain their group's work and answer questions. Meanwhile, the original presenters become the new travelers, exploring the other posters in the same way. Just like before, after 5 minutes, they rotate to the next one.
Once everyone's back at their own poster, the poster walk ends. By then, every participant has seen the other group's posters and had a chance to present their own ideas too. Everyone's been active, involved, and part of the exchange. Want to give this method a try in your own teaching? Great! The following steps help you get started.
Start with a group activity. This could be anything from reading and discussing a text, to creating a concept for a new mobile app, or brainstorming idea for a startup. Divide the students into small groups, explain the task clearly, and give them enough time to dive in and get interesting results. Let them know upfront that they will be putting their results on a poster later. How long this phase takes depends on the task. It can be anything from 20 minutes to an hour or more. Right at the start, hand out the materials each group will need for their posters, such as flipchart paper and markers. Let them know what the poster is for, to support the presentation, not to be a complete documentation. It should be clear and easy to read, but it doesn't have to be a work of art.
A few helpful tips for your students. Add a clear and bold title. Include everyone's full names. Keep the text short and the font big. And don't be afraid to use sketches, arrows or diagrams. Give them around 15 to 30 minutes for this part. Just enough to make it solid, not stressful.
Once the posters are ready, it's time for the actual poster walk. Just like described earlier, it runs in 2 rounds, so everyone gets to switch roles. For a medium-sized class, plan about 60 minutes to keep things smooth.
Tip 1. Short on time in your session? No problem. You can shift the group work or poster creation to homework and use your class time just for the poster presentations.
Tip 2. Another option is to just shorten the rounds. In some cases, it's fine if not every group sees every poster. Tip 3. Want to make the posters available after the session? Just take photos and upload them to Moodle or a shared cloud folder. That way, everyone can go back, review and reflect. You could even assign a follow-up task. Have students revise the posters based on the feedback they received.
A common variation of the poster walk is the gallery walk. Here's how it's different. In the classic version, each group sends a few members to visit one poster at a time. But in a gallery walk, the groups are mixed. So each small group of travelers includes at least one person from every original poster team. When they stop at a poster, the person who helped create it steps up, explains the key points, and is there to answer questions or take feedback.
Compared to the regular poster walk, the gallery walk keeps things a bit simpler. There's the same number of rounds as there are posters. No role switching needed. This makes the whole process quicker. It works especially well when the number of students in each group matches the number of posters. That way, every group has one expert ready to present at each stop.
Give the poster walk or its variation, the gallery walk, a try. And watch as your students actively engage in your course.
If you like the video, hit the like button.
Want more tips on teaching methods? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos.